Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor Sheriff Oborevwori of Delta State has warned all contractors handling projects for the state that his administration will not accept any substandard and shoddy job. The governor, who gave the warning while inspecting some ongoing projects in the state ahead of his first year anniversary in office, insisted that contractors must deliver top-notch and quality work in line with the specifications of their contracts.
In about 2 weeks, the captain of Team More Agenda in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, who took office on May 29, 2023, will be 1 year at the helm of affairs in the state. One of the promises the governor made to Deltans upon assuming office is that his administration will complete all projects it inherited from the immediate past administration in the state. This, he maintains, would ensure that no job across the state is abandoned and that the people derive optimum value for their resources invested in such projects. Last week, Governor Oborevwori, in the company of some of his lieutenants, went around some of these projects he had earmarked for commissioning in the coming days as part of activities to mark his first anniversary in the saddle. At the State High Court building in Asaba, the governor, while expressing his displeasure with the inferior finishing, called on the contractor to ensure that he swiftly completes the job in line with the standards and specifications of the contract.
We are not too satisfied with the work. First, the work is not really too good, but they have promised that within 2 weeks everything will change. And particularly, we have actually won the company Ladis Gold, who is the contractor, but they have assured us within 2 to 3 weeks the whole job, they'll complete the job.
The 5-story High Court complex is fitted with state-of-the-art facilities such as a Zoom room, a computer laboratory, and public and private elevators. Others include a canteen and a car park. Governor Sheriff Oborevwori was also at Warri to inspect Warri Stadium and the surrounding environment. Here, the governor took a tour of the water discharge channels at AKUGHA Market, where he decried the blocked state of the drains. Expressing the state government's commitment to fighting floods along the area, Governor Oborevwori noted that the people must do their part and desist from obstructing the flow of water along major waterways in the area.
You can see clearly now, people are dumping refuse on the waterways, so the water can't even flow. There's no way the water can flow. So we want the water to flow. Now, the rains around this area, they don't flow, so you go back. So once they see the place now, then with the construction of the drains, the water will be flowing.
Meanwhile, the governor also assured the over 50,000 Delta State civil servants of an accelerated consideration of a new minimum wage to meet the prevailing economic realities of the day. Speaking to the workers who were obviously expecting a salary increase pronouncement at the recent May Day celebration in the state, the governor promised to engage labor leaders in working out a feasible new minimum wage for the state workers.
I have listened attentively to your requests and have taken copious note of same. There are no doubt legitimate demands, and as a responsible government, I will deliberate with my team on how best to address them with the limits of resources available to us.
For their part, labor leaders in the state commended the governor for his worker-friendly disposition and called on him to sustain his positive and giant strides in the state.
When you were campaigning to be governor, you went round and said you will pay arrears. You took over abruptly. You paid the arrears, about 5.6 billion. We are glad that you kept to your promise. We are happy that there is a new dawn in Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,